Hi, my name is Jillian. I am 9 years old and I have been a vegetarian for over 2 years. My family cooks a lot of vegetarian meals, but sometimes they do not, so I have to cook them myself. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite food, the buffalo wings. After taking them out of the freezer, I'm going to cook them. I prefer to use a toaster oven than an oven because a toaster oven is safer. The first thing I did is put the tinfoil on the baking sheet. Now I'm going to put the buffalo wings on the baking sheet. I usually eat 4, so that's how much I will cook. Now I will put them in the toaster oven. Now I can set the temperature. It says to set the temperature at 400 degrees. It says to cook them to 14 to 16 minutes. There's no exact time on here, so I'll go in between 10 and 20. Now that my wings are cooking, I can prepare my plate. Now that they're done, I can get them out with a pot holder and use the tongs to put them on the plate. Now I can eat my food with my family. It's that simple.